Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about parametric equations. So a parametric equation is graphed using the ordered pairs x comma y. X is going to represent some function f of t, and y is going to represent some function g of t. Now, we're going to cover this over some given interval I. T will be our inputs, and the xy curve will be our output, and that will be the parametric curve. The equations are considered parametric equations, and t is considered to be the parameter. So let's go ahead and talk about an example of this. In this equation, this parametric set of equations here, we have x equaling t squared plus 1, while y is equal to 2 times t. And notice that our t value can go between -3 and +3. So to graph this, what we're going to do, we're going to create a t, x, y chart. And in the t values, I'm going to put the integers that fit within the interval. So between -3 and +3. Now I'm going to plug each of these numbers into t and figure out what the x and y values will equal. So when I do -3, so to find x, we would do -3 squared plus 1. -3 squared is 9 plus 1 makes 10. -2 squared plus 1. -2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. -1 squared is 1 plus 1 makes 2. 0 squared is 0, plus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4, plus 1 makes 5. 3 squared is 9, plus 1 makes 10. Okay, now let's do the y values. Each of these just get taken times 2, since it's just 2 times t. So -3 times 2, -2 times 2, -1 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 2, 2 times 2, and 3 times 2. Finally, we are going to simply graph these ordered pairs, the x comma y here. So 10 comma -6 is roughly there. 5 -4. 2 comma -2. 1 comma 0, 2 comma 2, 5 comma 4, and 10 comma 6. And what this appears to be is a parabola that's opening to the right. And noting that we have to start and end where t was 3, we cannot go any further to the right than where we were at for 10 comma 6 and 10 comma -6. So the parabola starts and ends at that spot. So that's a brief example of parametric equations. For now, we are done.